Being a busy professional often means managing a packed schedule, endless meetings, and a to-do list that never seems to end. But juggling all that doesn't mean you have to let your spending spiral out of control. With a few smart frugal living strategies, you can save money, simplify your routines, and still focus on excelling in your career. Here are 9 practical tips that fit seamlessly into your busy lifestyle and help you embrace frugality without sacrificing your time or quality of life. Meal prep is a game changer for anyone with a hectic schedule. By dedicating a couple of hours on the weekend to preparing meals in advance, you not only save money but also free up precious time during the week. Cooking simple dishes like roasted vegetables, stir-fries, or hearty soups in bulk means you'll always have something ready to eat, even on your busiest days. Instead of reaching for expensive takeout, you can grab a meal from your fridge that's both affordable and healthier. The key is to keep it interesting by rotating recipes weekly so you don't feel stuck eating the same thing over and over again. Your commute is another area where frugality can make a big impact. Driving to work every day can quickly add up when you consider gas, parking fees, and wear and tear on your car. Switching to public transport or carpooling with colleagues can significantly cut those costs. Beyond the financial benefits, using public transit gives you extra time to catch up on podcasts, audiobooks, or even some light work, making your commute feel more productive. It's a small change that can add up to big savings while also giving you a much-needed break from the stress of driving. When it comes to your wardrobe, a capsule collection is one of the smartest investments you can make. Instead of filling your closet with trendy pieces that quickly go out of style, focus on timeless staples that can be mixed and matched effortlessly. A classic blazer, a few neutral shirts, and well-fitted pants can take you from a board meeting to a casual outing with ease. With fewer clothes to choose from, you'll save time in the morning and avoid the temptation of buying unnecessary items. Selling or donating clothes you no longer wear is a great way to create space for a wardrobe that truly works for you. Saving money can sometimes feel like a chore, but automating it makes the process almost invisible. By setting up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a savings account each month, you'll consistently build up your savings without having to think about it. Even small amounts add up over time, especially if you use a high-yield savings account. This strategy works particularly well for professionals who are always on the go, as it removes the need to manually budget or track every penny. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach that delivers real results. Frugality isn't just about cutting costs. It's also about making the most of what you already have. Learning a few DIY skills can save you hundreds of dollars each year. Simple projects like making your own cleaning supplies or fixing minor home issues can be surprisingly empowering. For example, a basic all-purpose cleaner made from vinegar and water costs a fraction of store-bought alternatives and works just as well. The internet is full of tutorials to guide you through everyday fixes, and once you try it, you might find that DIY becomes a satisfying hobby in itself. Subscription services can be sneaky budget drainers, especially when they go unnoticed for months. Taking the time to review your active subscriptions can reveal plenty of opportunities to save. Maybe you signed up for a streaming service you rarely watch or a fitness app you haven't opened in weeks. Canceling the ones you don't use and switching to shared plans for the ones you do can significantly reduce monthly expenses. Keeping a list of your active subscriptions also ensures you don't get hit with surprise charges when free trials expire. For big purchases or items you only need occasionally, buying secondhand or renting is often a better choice than buying new. Whether it's furniture, electronics, or clothing, thrift stores and online marketplaces are treasure troves for high-quality items at a fraction of the price. Renting tools or equipment for short-term projects can also save you money while avoiding clutter in your home. This approach is not only budget-friendly but also more sustainable, as it reduces waste and gives items a second life. If you're spending money anyway, why not earn some of it back? Cashback apps and rewards programs are an easy way to make your purchases work harder for you. Signing up for apps like Rakuten or using a credit card with points can help you save on everyday expenses. Over time, these small savings can add up, whether you redeem them for travel, gift cards, or essential purchases. It's a simple habit that doesn't require much effort but delivers consistent value. Finally, One of the most impactful ways to embrace frugal living is to practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, pause and ask yourself if it's truly necessary or aligns with your long-term goals. Sometimes, simply waiting 24 hours before buying something can reveal whether you really want it or if it's just an impulse. Keeping a spending journal is another helpful tool. It gives you a clear picture of where your money is going and highlights areas where you can cut back. By focusing on what truly matters, you'll find it easier to resist unnecessary expenses and direct your resources toward what brings you the most value.